Welcome to Krabi, a true paradise on the shores of Thailand's Andaman Sea. In this video, we're going to take you on a journey through the enchanting province of Krabi, showcasing its natural beauty, adventure, and vibrant culture. Nestled in the southern part of Thailand, Krabi is renowned for its picturesque landscapes. The province is characterized by dramatic limestone karsts, lush jungles, and pristine beaches that will leave you in awe. It's a place where the earth and the sea embrace, creating a destination like no other. For the adventure seekers, Krabi has a plethora of thrilling activities, from rock climbing on Railay Beach's iconic cliffs, to exploring hidden caves and lagoons in the nearby islands. There's no shortage of heart-pounding experiences for the adrenaline junkie in you. But Krabi isn't just about adventure. It's also a sanctuary for those looking to unwind. Spend your days on the sun-kissed shores of Aonang, Railay, or Railay Beach, where the gentle lapping of the waves creates the perfect ambience for relaxation. One of the highlights of any visit to Krabi is the local cuisine. Savor the flavors of authentic Thai dishes at bustling night markets and beachfront restaurants. Don't forget to try the mouth-watering seafood dishes, freshly caught from the Andaman Sea. Immerse yourself in the rich culture of Krabi by visiting the serene Buddhist temples and engaging in local traditions. The warm and welcoming people of Krabi will make you feel right at home. Krabi is also your gateway to exploring nearby treasures, such as the Phi Islands, Hong Islands, and the Emerald Pool in Phung Tiao Forest Natural Park. Each of these destinations offers a unique natural beauty that you won't want to miss. As the sun sets over the Andaman Sea, we hope this video has inspired you to plan your next adventure to Krabi. Whether you seek thrills, serenity, or a bit of both, Krabi has something to offer every traveler. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Thailand travel insights. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and until next time, remember to explore, discover, and experience the beauty of Krabi.